Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. If you're joining us from the previous video where we showed you the leak on the thermostat, or the video where we showed you a leak on the actual reservoir tank, glad to have you. Before anything, safety first. Step number one, we need to properly and carefully drain your coolant system. Safety first, remove the negative terminal to your battery, cut all electrical power to the engine using a 10mm socket and ratchet. Set this in a safe location where it's not going to hop back on the terminal of the battery. In the bottom portion of your engine compartment, the rubber hose that feeds out of your air filter box, we need to remove this because we need to gain access to the actual portion that we are going to drain the coolant out of. And it's way down there, it's the bottom hose. Unfortunately, nowadays, these Chevy Cruze engines, the radiator no longer comes with a drain port. And that's unfortunate because a lot of vehicles that we've worked on in the past always have that very convenient drain plug that you just unscrew slightly, and just by slightly unscrewing it, but not unscrewing it all the way, it allows you to drain all of that coolant out of the system, and then allows you to continue working on the portion of the coolant system that you need to without opening it up and coolant spilling all over your engine. However, before anything, what I mentioned earlier in the previous video, do not open that cap if the engine is warm and you just ran the engine. That cap will blow off because of pressure, and that coolant will spray all over your face, burning your face and your eyes. That is not good. So again, we have waited about 6 hours and the coolant system and engine had time to cool off. We are going to grab a whole bunch of paper towels, cover this cap and twist it slowly, and any additional pressure inside this tank will slowly dissipate as we twist this cap off, and that pressure and coolant will go into the actual paper towels rather than spray all over our skin and face. All right, pressure is fully released and nothing sprayed out. We gave it enough time to cool off, and again, that is very, very important. Do not open this cap and burn yourself. Now let's continue and remove this entire hose. Both top clamp and lower clamp are loosened up. From here, just carefully pull the hose off the top portion as well as the lower portion. And set this in a safe location so it won't get harmed. With the hose removed, this is what it looks like, the inlet to your air filter box, and then this portion of the engine. And down there you see the hose low point, and it has a metal clip on it. We need to get our hands down in there and pull that metal clip off that portion of the hose. The tool that I'm thinking will work the best for us, I picked this up at AutoZone. I'm going to lower this tool down. It's got a hook at the very tip of it, and I'm going to loop it around that clip and pull up. Not sure if you can see it, however, that clip's coming off pretty good. Position our drain pan accordingly and do this as environmentally friendly and responsibly as we can, and try not to leak any of that on the actual ground. And coming to the back side, here is the radiator fan, and right down in here, and grab your Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and slowly remove it completely. I want to show you what exactly this plug looks like. So with that said, let me zoom in just a little bit. It's got a rubber gasket on the very tip of it. So from here, again, I'm going to take that fluid and dispose of it responsibly, probably take it to my local AutoZone or repair shop, and they will dispose of it responsibly. Coolant is completely drained out of the radiator. After coolant is completely drained out, let's go ahead and reinsert the plug and secure it. Do not over tighten it because, as you just noticed, this part is plastic, and if you over tighten it, it will break, and that's not good. Plug is fully resecured. That's it, YouTubers. Hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Do us a favor, click on that. That would be awesome. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks for watching.